I'm Anna.
Hi, I'm Katie.
In this video, we will talk about giving instructions, and it is so important.
That's right. A lesson can fail or a class can become confused if a teacher does not explain an activity properly.
That's right. And even very experienced teachers and native English speakers have trouble giving instructions. So we will give you some tips on what you should do.
And what you should not do.
That should be fun.
Now, some instructions are general. They help you to manage your class.
Right, and some instructions are for an activity, like a game or an art project.
First, let's go to the general instructions.
Sounds good to me, Katie. Good morning. Please come in.